ever asked someone a simple question and they just will not get to the point? Well, they might be beating around the bush. So let me explain kind of what that means. This is an idiom, of course, which means it's not literal for every word that's in there. But beating around the bush means avoiding the main point instead of speaking directly. So someone does this when they talk around a topic because maybe they feel uncomfortable or nervous or uncertain. So no bushes are being beat or hit at all. It's a way to describe indirect communication. And so here are some examples. Stop beating around the bush and tell me the truth. He kept beating around the bush instead of giving a clear answer. Or, I don't want to beat around the bush. Here's the problem. And so when it's used, typically the topic is awkward and somebody doesn't want to just say it directly to you. They don't want to hurt someone's feelings, or they're avoiding bad news. Other ways to say it would be like to avoid the issue, not getting to the point, or to dance around the topic. That's another, dancing around the topic is another way to express someone not getting to the point. And the opposite of this would be getting straight to the point. So remember, if someone beats around the bush, they're talking, but they're not saying the part that matters. And this is Cursive Ken with some more useful English.